A line just went down. The old ANDON light turns red and then everyone just waits. Who's coming? How fast? Nobody really knows. Call ANDON 4.0 fixes that. One press. From the keypad, or a QR scan, the right person is alerted in seconds, on their watch, on their phone, and in real time on the smart call TV that replaces your old ANDON boards. No one responds? It escalates on its own, by level, by department, and every second is logged in Bell Cloud. Response time, mean time to repair, productivity. The numbers your ops review is waiting for. Less downtime, faster response. Full accountability. Payback typically inside a single quarter, with recovered production measured in 7 figures a year. That's how a Tier 1 plant cut downtime in half. See it on your floor, free for 30 days. Book your demo at destecsolutions.com.